For those of you that do not know me, my name is Erica. I am the yarn. Yeah, I am. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erica, and you are at the Lopsided Crafter. Grab yourself something to drink, sit back for a spell, and let's talk about all of our yarny goodness and creations. Hi and welcome. My name is Erica. For those of you that do not know me, I am the indie yarn dyer, knit pattern designer, and crochet pattern designer behind the Lopsided Crafter. Welcome to today's video. This video will be on several platforms, so if you are watching YouTube, what I talk about will be below. And if you are watching this on Facebook, it will be above. For those that do not know, I do have a Facebook page as well as an Instagram page. You can find me on all the socials as the Lopsided Crafter. That would be Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Ravelry, and Pinterest. So today is a little bit of a different video. I just have a review for you. Yes. I got caught by one of the ads. But I'm glad because I love this. In fact, I love it so much. I think after I finish this video, I'm going to go back and buy one in another color. So what did I get? Well, it's a bag. And this is the brand. I think you pronounce it Leudes. Leudes. I'm not really sure, but this is the brand. This is what you would look up on Amazon. That's where I got it. And it is, y'all know how I feel about project bags. I've got bags everywhere. This is what it looks like. They have pink and they have black. And it is a backpack type of bag. It's got a deep pocket here, you know, that you could put your project book in. It zips on the inside right there. So if you wanted to put like notions or, you know, that kind of thing in there, you could. It's got pockets here on the side. And they do have elastic on them, so they'll stretch, which I like that. It does have holes on each side, guys. You see that? So that you can put your project on the inside. Bring that yarn through, pop this baby on your back, and knit or crochet as you're walking. So, let's take a little closer look. It does have this zip pocket in the front. Look at all that room. You could put all your crochet tools in there. If this was your only bag, this could be a good storage place for all of them. I think I'm only going to be using this per project. I might have maybe 2 socks or something going at one time, and I'll put that stuff in here, whatever I'm going to need for my socks, like my sock ruler, notes, that kind of thing. And the inside, y'all, this is humongous. The amount of space in this thing. I don't even know if I can really show you. I mean, look at the amount of space. You can put yarn there. You can put yarn here. It's got pockets on the side for more things. The top of it has like a metal rod, not necessarily a rod, but it might be a rod, but it's formed. So it is metal. So it's going to stay like that. It does zip. Like I said, pop that baby right on your back and you have an instant on the go project bag. Now, this video is not sponsored. I did buy this with my own money. Again, this is Leudes. The tag on the inside says, was designed to build up people's own character across their different stages of life. There are 5 different designs to make this brand meaningful. They have the casual day pack, cosmetic bags, laptop briefcase, toiletry bags, and yarn storage. So I'm assuming that this is the yarn storage. It could be the backpack. Who knows? Either way, I am happy as of now with this purchase. It does have that little foam on the inside right here of the straps, and the straps are shaped like your back, if you will, you know, the angle. So I'm happy with this purchase. Again, like I said, I think I'm going to go and order the black one as well. So let me know what you guys think. Is this something that you would carry around? I'm not a big girly girl, so I don't normally carry around a purse or that kind of thing. So I could throw my debit card in there, have my project with me then at that point at all times, go into the restaurants and not have to worry about. Yes, I think I'm really truly gonna like this one. I carry project bags around with me all the time anyway, so I mean, I don't know who I'm kidding there, but yeah, you know what, let's try this. Let's just see. So I have some yarn sitting over here that needs to be dyed for an advent, my summer advent. So let's just, sorry, I'm shaking the camera. Let's just see how much I can get in here feasibly. So here's one. Each one of these bags has 4 100 grams of fingering weight yarn and 4 minis. So there's one. There's 2. There's 3. And there's 4. I can get 4 of those in there. That's 1,600 grams of yarn, right? Right. Not even counting the minis. Now let's see if it'll zip. That might be a problem, but let's just see. Nope. That sucker zips right up, and it's not even that heavy. Oh, yes. This was a wonderful, wonderful purchase. I am so glad that I found it. I am so glad that I caved when I seen the posts all about it on Instagram. So, yeah. Wonderful purchase. As of right now, first impressions, I'm very happy with it. In fact, as soon as I get off of this video, I am going to go back in and order the black one as well. So, thank you so much for stopping by, and thank you for watching. If you're watching this on Facebook, please consider hitting the like button and follow button to find out when I do more posts here on Facebook. I do post things a little bit different here on Facebook than I do on Instagram. More of behind the scenes, more coupon codes, more patterns and things of that nature. If you're watching this on YouTube and you found any enjoyment of this video, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the little bell to be notified the next time we post a video. Until next time, guys, happy knitting, happy crocheting, and happy looming, and get that bag. Bye.